In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a demo account on TradingView. So what you need to do once you've gone to TradingView is go to any market. I'm going to go to the crypto Bitcoin market, and what we can go ahead and do is go and trade this. So we're going to go ahead and click on the full screen icon in the bottom right hand corner, and this will take us to the chart. And what we can do from here is we can go ahead and select an account. So it's going to ask you and prompt you to connect a broker already. Go ahead and exit out of this. Now if you come to trading panel, you can go ahead and then choose a broker. You want to go ahead and choose if you want a demo account paper trading, so click on that. It's going to be a simulator. You can see here that also known as simulated trading lets you practice buying and selling. You can go ahead and then connect this. So now you can see you're in paper trading mode, and you can go ahead and buy and sell. As you can see, it's green, everything's good to go. You can then buy. And there you go, you can go ahead and use this as a demo account. So I hope that video was useful and helped you out.